Good morning, students. Welcome back to our EVS class. In the previous session, we have been discussing about plants around us. In this session, let us continue our discussion on types of plants. Students, you all know that living things do not live forever. They live for a certain time. After that, they die. This is a mustard plant. A mustard plant lives for some months only. After that, it dies. The time period for which a plant lives is called its lifespan. So, a mustard plant has a definite lifespan. All the plants have definite lifespans, but the lifespans differ. Some plants have a short lifespan and some plants have long lifespans. Plants like the maize plant and the mustard plant live for a few months. So, they have short lifespans. But trees like peepal tree and the neem tree live for many years. So, they have a long lifespan. On the basis of the lifespan, we can divide the plants into three different groups. They are annual plants, biennial plants, and perennial plants. Students, we all know that we get rice from the rice plants. Farmers grow rice plants in their fields. They grow rice plants every year. Rice plants can live only for a few months. Wheat plants, maize plants, and mustard plants also live only for a few months. The plants which live only for a few months in a year are called annual plants. So, rice plants, wheat plants, maize plants, and mustard plants are annual plants. Most of the vegetables and cereals are annual plants. We grow annual plants every year. Vegetables and cereals are herbs. Most of the herbs are annual plants. We all eat carrot. We get carrot from the carrot plant. A carrot plant can live for 2 years. So, its lifespan is 2 years. A radish plant and a cabbage plant can also have lifespan of 2 years. The plants which live for 2 years are called biennial plants. So, carrot plant, radish plant, and cabbage plant are biennial plants. Children, we all love to eat mangoes. We get mangoes from the mango tree. We eat mangoes from the same tree year by year. A mango tree lives for many years. A guava tree, a pine tree, a lemon tree, and a sal tree also live for many years. The plants which live for many years are called perennial plants. So the plants like a mango tree, guava tree, pine tree, and a lemon tree are perennial plants. A rhododendron plant, a rose plant, and orange tree are also perennial plants. Almost all shrubs and trees are perennial plants. Students, now let us have a quick recap of what we have learned today. Today we have learnt about types of plants. On the basis of their lifespan, plants can be divided into three. They are annual plants, biennial plants, and perennial plants. Annual plants have a lifespan of just one season in which they grow, produce seeds, and die. Next, biennial plants. Biennial plants have a lifespan of 2 years. They grow to the full size in the first year and produce flowers and seeds in the second year. After that, they wither away and die. Last one is perennial plants. Plants having a lifespan of more than 2 years are called perennial plants. So, on the basis of their lifespan, plants can be divided into three. They are annual plants, biennial plants, and perennial plants. So, children, solved exercise of this chapter given in PDF. Kindly note down in your notebook and learn them. Thank you, children. Thank you and have a nice day.